Okay, we are in the garage and y'all pray for me. So what I'm gonna do is, for Father's Day, for my husband, I am going to transform this into an in-home gym. So a lot of stuff needs to go to the trash. So before we got married, there was a great flood, and a lot of this stuff in here flooded. So like all of this stuff right here, his old elliptical, flooded, and we need to like take it out and put it to the trash. We have things like this that my son, who's now 7, he's had it since he was like, what, 5? He doesn't use it anymore, so it needs to go.
Yeah, I don't.
Have some Christmas stuff over there. There's some furniture that it's not good, we need to throw away. A go-kart that they don't ride.
It's broke.
It's not broke.
Okay,
DJ, you don't have to, you know.
It got fixed. Go open the garage door. And so I just need to, I'm really glad he has these things, these shelves, because I'm gonna be condensing some of this stuff and I'm going to utilize it for like storage, for mats, jump rope, things like that. So I'm gonna do my best. Like all of that over there is just trash, like DVDs and CDs, it's trash. So that is what we're going to be doing. Alright, so I'm at Home Depot and I have to, it's the next day by the way, I need to go in and get some mats, those black mats. So I'm gonna show you guys after I get them what it is that I got. Alright, so these are the towels that I got. I ended up having to get, ouch, this kind as well because they only had 2 packs of the foam padding, which is going to be fine because this is for weight equipment as well. I will just set the weight bench and the weights on these mats while he can work out on these mats if he wanted to do jump rope or sit-ups. Alright y'all, so this is the progress that we have so far. So obviously I need to go get 2 more packs of these to put them here. And then Cameron is setting up a different type because they didn't have enough at the Home Depot. So that's a different type than the foam ones and it's giving him some trouble. But once it is installed, I'm gonna put the treadmill over there. These I ordered from Amazon. It came as a set, these right here. These are just some dumbbells I bought from Walmart, and that's something that Cameron had that his daddy uses. So that's in there. Tomorrow the bench arrives. I'm sorry, you can't hear me. The bench arrives tomorrow, so I'm gonna set it, once we get more mats, I'm gonna set that up here, the bench, and then he has these little things that came in a kit last year that I'm just gonna put on the other mats once we get them here. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. Here are the mats that I bought from Sam's. I have an extra pack up there. There's where the treadmill is gonna go if I'm able to get it. Those things, that rack, y'all, don't be fooled. Like, it is not assembled correctly. Like, the screws aren't even all the way in there strong enough. But I'm just gonna get my stepson to do it, or Bruce can do it later. But I want it, it's up enough to be functional for right now. So this is the bench. It just came in, and I'm gonna attempt to put it together, and that's gonna go right here. All right, so that's the bench, and it was really easy to install. It was already put together. I just had to take out the little lever and adjust it to how I want it. So I'm gonna give you guys a full overview of what this is looking like right now. So yeah, like I said, all I need is the treadmill over there, and this is kind of a blank space, which is perfectly fine. I don't know if I should maybe turn the bench that way or what. I don't know. We'll see. But this is pretty much it.
I got the day tomorrow.
You got the day tomorrow. I got your straight. You probably got tomorrow on too.
Happy Father's Day, since you had to go in there today.
God damn.
Oh, so this is his first time going in
I
there.
ain't never realized them weights wasn't in there. Damn. Well, all right.
Clean as shit.
Damn. I get to work out in here now.
That's why Cameron asked you if you want to work out some more. Uncle Bobby gonna come and bring that treadmill and put it over there in that corner.
Oh, everybody knew but you.
Yeah, I guess.
It was empty when he came here the other day.
I'll be here.